Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a running route on Google Maps. This is a fantastic way to plan your jogs, track distances, and discover new paths in your area before you even lace up your shoes. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you directly to Google Maps where you can start planning your route. Once the page loads, you'll see the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll begin setting up your running path. In the search bar, type in the location where you want to start your run. This could be your home address, a local park, or any landmark in your area. After entering your location, you'll notice a button labeled Directions appear. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the route planning interface where all the magic happens. Now you'll see a field labeled Starting Point. Click on this field and enter your exact starting location if it's not already filled in. This ensures your route begins precisely where you want it to. Being specific here helps Google Maps calculate the most accurate distance and path for your run. Next, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see several transportation icons. You'll notice a walking human icon among them. Click on this icon to switch the route mode to walking or running. This is important because it tells Google Maps to show you pedestrian-friendly paths rather than driving routes, which often include highways or roads where running isn't safe or practical. Once you've selected the walking mode, Google Maps will display several route options on the left side of your screen. These are different paths you can take based on your starting point. Browse through these suggested routes and find one that suits your running preferences. You might want a scenic route through a park, or perhaps a straightforward path along quieter streets. Each option shows the distance and estimated time, helping you choose based on how long you want to run. If none of the suggested routes perfectly match what you're looking for, you can customize your path. Look for the option that says Add Destination and click it. This allows you to add waypoints or intermediate stops along your route. You can drag these destination points around on the map to adjust the path exactly how you want it. As you move these points, the route will automatically adjust to show your customized running path. This feature is incredibly useful for creating loops or avoiding certain areas. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom running route on Google Maps. Now you have a clear plan with accurate distances and a safe path to follow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.